Hi everyone, Maz from the Figaro Shop Parts Department here. Today I want to focus on engine rebuilds. Now, a lot of Figaros have met their demise of time, and you'll find that the engine is just either failed due to a massive head gasket failure, age-related wear and tear where it's really smoky or lost compression. It could be anything. It could be a snapped rocker. It could be loads of different things that can go wrong with it just due to age. I mean, it's nearly 35 years old. So we have two options when the engine needs either replacing or doing a full overhaul. So on our website, you will find a completely rebuilt engine, which is brilliant if you're in the UK or you just don't have a mechanic near you who's confident enough to rebuild it. Or let's say you're abroad and you'll find that shipping an engine and all its ancillary parts on a pallet is quite expensive. We offer an engine overhaul kit. Now, this is the kit that we use here on site to rebuild our engines ourselves. Now, if you zoom in, you'll see the amount of parts that you get. You get a full head gasket set that has your inlet gaskets, exhaust gaskets, rocker cover gasket, valve stem seals, the main head gasket itself, main thermostat gasket. You'll get a genuine Nissan sump gasket. You get a crankshaft seal. You get another camshaft seal. There's one included here, and this is the other one for the cam, one for the crank. They're exactly the same seal. You'll get a timing belt tensioner spring. You'll get an oil pressure switch. You get a brand new set of NGK spark plugs. A water pump O-ring seal. It's very, very important to change these because they leak. This is situated on the back of the water pump housing. There's a long tube that runs water across it. That seals the end of it. A tube of Durco. Now this is our go-to sealant, and you'll use this for the sump, where the sump is made of 2 half-moon seals and the rest of it's done with sealant. You have a choice of bearing sizes on the website. Dependent, I would recommend that you get your crankshaft measured, and when you go to the product page on our website, this tells you exactly what size they should be. Then you can take a measurement. But we have big ends, mains, and we have thrust washers included in the kit. Our rocker retention set, which has all our genuine Nissan bits and bobs to ensure that your rocker shaft is held down securely. A brand new oil filter, a new water pump, a timing belt and tensioner kit there, a set of head bolts with the torque settings already put on them, and finally our oversized pistons. Now, we're quite proud of these ones because as Nissan discontinued pistons a long time ago, it was left to us to then develop a set of pistons to keep our engines going. Now, due to wear and tear, we don't do standard size pistons because you won't find a Figaro engine after 35 years still be perfectly round and the right size. They oval towards the top. So what we've done is we've created them in a 0.5mm oversize. Now, they come complete with a set of rings. So each one of these boxes is for one piston. It has all the rings for one piston. That's included. You get a gudgeon pin as well for it, brand new gudgeon pin, and a set of 4 pistons. And if you zoom in here, so these have been done manufactured exactly the same as the original, where they have a domed head, and you can see here we've written 0.50 on them. They are made by a factory that makes pistons for the OEM, so their quality is unbelievable. And we've even cast in our little Figaro logo right in there, just so you know you're buying the genuine part. This is available on our website, so if you head over to www.thenissanfigaroshop.co.uk, head over to the parts department, type in the search engine overhaul, and this kit will come up. Thank you very much.